The word Advent means arrival or coming. It is a season of great expectations as Advent looks forward to the fulfillment of all God's promises.
During Advent, we celebrate love and peace and joy and hope.
The whole season of Advent is about hope, the hope of Israel, the prophecies and promises of the book of Isaiah that say a child is going to be born who will then become the Prince of Peace and bring peace to a needy world.
The Bible tells one long story of God's love for us, and the gift of Jesus is at the center of the story.
But through the Spirit, we too are the recipients of God's favor and God's joy now.
The question we have to ask during this Advent is whether we are people of peace and whether our message is a message of peace.